white-bellied seagull are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with the wingspan that could reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalaban na. Di ba ang babae naman?
Butterfly.
Sa pa po, sir.
One of the most rarest bird in the world because they only lay one egg every 2 years.
Performing ito siyempre kasama din doon ng mga cute na mga animal ambassadors. Once again, give it up for Tribo Kamindanawa. Performers, palakpakan po natin sila. And kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan. So girls, legit yan na, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Ayan, and this morning, magpapakitang na sila gamit ang kanilang food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. So, nakukuha po sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Now guys, by the way, here in the Philippines, our largest eagle are the Philippine eagle. The reason why they call them monkey eagles is because they can easily crush a skull of a monkey by using their talons po. Ganyan po ka-powerful ang ating agila. And folks, by klaseng hayop, ang kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon. Naku po. Ano? Okoy? Monkey? Ano sabi nila? Before we continue, dapat kilalanin muna natin si Sir. Oh, Sir, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from?
Okay, so good morning everyone. I am Michael from Negros Occidental.
Wala pa ako po, Sir. Mother from Negros Occidental. Sir, are you ready to meet Daniel? Ready na si Sir. Sir, dito po tayo dito sa table natin. Ayan. Open your hands, the left and the right. And there you go. Once again, that is Daniel. Our bird is fine and our gentle giant with a scientific name of Python bivitatus. They are one of the largest species in the world because they can get up to 20 feet long and 90 kilograms. So si Daniel po isa sa mga 10 kilograms. Ano sir, ito, sinong kasama natin ngayon sa Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo? Who are you with this morning?
With my friends.
Friends, sino friends? Sino my friends and friends? Picture lang po natin yung sir. Please, pang Instagram, pang Facebook, show them your volunteer post. Now guys, nothing to worry. Pythons are non-venomous animal. Ibig sabihin po nun, hindi nakamamatay yung ugat nila. Pero constrictor sila. Alam mo yung constrictor, sir? Ibig sabihin nun, sinasakal yung pagkain bago nilalako ng buhok. Pinakain mo ito muli ng wala pang kain ito muli. Anong oras na po? Pwede magtanong? Ako folks, upon check-in time, sumubra po kami sa show namin ni Mokoy natin, hindi pa nakapag-breakfast, so kailangan na mag-break ng 15 minutes. So sir, babalagan 15 minutes, babalagan po kami. Hano guys, babalagan kami 15 minutes, mabuhay pa na yun. Dagang salamat sa kanyang taga sir. Huwag yung pagkakay sa kanyang sunod, yan lang na. Okay, ayan po na sir. Luto na kayong pagsipagan ng 15 minutes sir. Hindi na bumagal ang sir,